Have you ever wondered about the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle and how to navigate it without getting lost? This enigmatic expanse of the Atlantic Ocean has baffled us for centuries with its many disappearances. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to conquering this extraordinary region. If you're planning to traverse the Bermuda Triangle by boat, here are some tips. A reliable compass and GPS are your best friends in the Bermuda area. Get to know your marine charts like the back of your hand. They're your road map in the deep blue sea. A seasoned crew with experience in these waters can also make a world of difference. The Bermuda Triangle may be enigmatic, but with the right preparation, it doesn't have to be intimidating. Remember, preparation is key when it comes to sailing through the Bermuda Triangle. Now, if you're flying through the Bermuda Triangle, here's what you need to know. Diligent pre-flight checks are a must. Ensure that all navigation systems are in tip-top shape, as they are your guiding stars in these astonishing skies. Maintaining constant contact with air traffic control is crucial. Their instructions are your lifeline, your compass in the fog of the unknown. Never underestimate their guidance. Flying in the Bermuda Triangle can be a unique experience, but safety should always be your top priority. So, here's what you need to remember. Preparation is key. Arm yourself with dependable navigation tools, familiarize with the marine charts and air routes, and keep in touch with air traffic control. With these tips in mind, you're now ready to take on the Bermuda Triangle. Safe travels!